Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually keep corals alive in Minecraft. So, the corals are the flowers that you could find in the seas in Minecraft, in the ocean, like deep inside. They are very rare to find, but they are so good looking and they are a good decoration. But unfortunately, the people who doesn't know how to use them, it will end up dying right after they place them in their house or whatever it is. So how you can keep them alive, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So using the 1.18 version, you can use whatever version that's got colors in it. So let's go ahead and open our single player world, just like so. It will be opened, and now I will show you how you can actually keep colors away. So let's, for example, show you how colors will die. So coral and coral like that, and let's place them. One, two. Okay, this one back. Oh, what's this one is bugging. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and as you can see, they will all die by the end of the time. How you can really make them alive? Basically, what you have to do is do something like that and get some water and place it on each block, and then destroy this and place them in here. But as you can see, this is not really efficient for your house. It will not work for you. You can't place water whatever you want. There's some places that you can put this kind of stuff, but let's be honest, if you want to put them on the ground or stuff like that, you will not be able to put water with them. So how you can actually keep them alive? Basically, you get any kind of slab, for example this one, break the floor, put the slab, and then put water, and just like so, you can put the car at the top of it. So after doing so, the car will not be dead at any time sooner than other. So that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.